This will be a very important video for all the Alberta PNP applicants for the upcoming date in August and any date going forward. As all of us know that now the application window is limited to one time a month, it's very important that we utilize that particular window in the best possible way. And by the best possible way, I mean we should be doing things which can be done in advance. So on that particular date, make sure you are not acting like a total novice, total newcomer, and make sure that you have done certain background work before that. And one of those background work is the topic that I'm going to cover today. I had touched upon this in my earlier video where I had prepared a checklist of all the different things that can be done ahead of time so that you save time on the application date. And this particular item is also a similar item. Now, what is this particular item that I'm talking about here? So this is about creation of an alberta.ca account. Now, alberta.ca is an account that you would be creating, that everyone who is applying for Aaip needs to create. There are two different type of account. There is a basic account and then there is a verified account. For Aaip purpose, the basic account is more than enough and it doesn't take more than 10-15 minutes, which I'm going to show you right now. Rest assured that for Aaip, your non-verified account is more than enough. Okay, you don't need a verified account, so don't worry if you don't have a Alberta address to receive a activation code or something like that. You will be able to complete this activity with a non-verified account. Okay, so you should be able to complete this activity to be an applicant. Okay, let's go. How do we start off? So we start off with the main landing page of the portal and click on get started. Now imagine, since we have only 1 day of application, imagine wasting a lot of time creating an account on that particular date. And if you face any problems on creation of account on that particular date, you will miss out on the application window. So make sure you don't leave this work till last day. Do this positively before the application window. Takes 10 minutes, doesn't take any documentation, nothing. You should be able to create it very quickly. Let's do it. Click on create account. I will put a URL of this particular page on the description below. Choose a username. Let me just choose something like this. Make sure you have a unique username. Make sure you put your email address. I'm just putting a dummy email address for demonstration purpose. Right? Put an email address, confirm the email address, choose a password. Again, password needs to comply with the complication requirement. Do that, put your name, your last name, and that's it. And then you click on submit and it will send you a OTP where you will confirm the email. Okay, so this is the first step. Now I will show you the next step. After you fill up your basic detail, you will receive an email like this. Open this particular email and follow the link. This link is valid for 96 hours. So click on this link.